Hello to all traders. So let's explore one of our favorite tools here, the Backtest Lab. The Backtest Lab is a system that runs performance tests for decades of historical data. All stocks from the major three indexes, the Dow 30, NASDAQ 100, and the S&P 500 are tested by 90 different algorithms every single day. Our system will automatically test countless methodologies and strategies on past historical data from the stock market in order to consistently make accurate future predictions. Our AI Backtest Lab, unlike others, never stops calculating buy and sell signals. It never stops working, and the majority of the most popular stocks will receive a buy signal every day, since there are 90 different algorithms scanning these stocks daily. So how does this work? Well, our algorithms are the buy the dip type, meaning they will always give us buy signals or entry points for swing trades. So if a company's stock price drops, our algorithms will test for potential bottoms. If the algorithms understand that this isn't a solid drop of the actual value of the stock, and if there is a possibility based on historical data of a reversal happening where the price will swing back up, then the algorithms will signal us an entry price. So it's 90 different algorithms with different methodologies, testing over 10 years of data looking for the same outcome to give us the best opportunity to buy a stock at a low price. Now, for us to understand the entire picture, let's break this down piece by piece and show how we can find new profitable opportunities in the stock market. So here on the screen is where we will first land when we come into the Backtest Lab. Here, as standard, we will have results for the last 2 years. So you can change this date as you'd like or compare two specific dates by clicking here in Detailed Query. We will have this table for every stock inside the three major indexes, the Dow 30, NASDAQ 100, and the S&P 500. And let's break it down left to right. Here we will see the name of the algorithm, which we have given a name for each of the 90 algos. So we have Shelby, Sarah, Stephanie, Jeremy, and the list goes on, with each algorithm having a specific name. Next to it, we will see the accumulated percentage gain over the given time frame. Then this column is the total number of trades by that algorithm. And here is the average result per trade. And then this is the average days that the algorithm remained in an open position until it decided to sell. These are all swing trade algorithms. So some algos will have an open position for a few days, and other algos might be in a trade for several weeks. Then we have the hit percentage. So that shows us the accuracy of each algo. So for example, this algorithm Shelby, out of 703 trades, 91.6% of them were profitable in the last 2 years. Now let's say we like this algo Shelby, which we do. So we go over here on the right and click to see a detailed view and find Shelby's latest buy signals. Now we're going to see all of the signals only from the Shelby algorithm for all the stocks that are part of the three major indexes. On top, we will see the latest buy signals for Shelby. They'll have the buy price and the partial results. These are just the latest ones, but if we scroll down, see underneath here, we will see the same info in a list format, but now we have a list of all signals. And we can see here that we have 295 entries, and we can go back and see all of them in detail. The red means a partial loss, and the green means a partial profit. So let me expand into this. These types of algorithms are usually buying against the trend line. So when the algo buys into a new position, it's normal for that stock to drop in price for the first few days and show us a partial loss until it recovers and puts us into profit. The logic behind these algorithms is to buy at a bottom before it recovers. And that means they try to anticipate a reversal of the price back up to what it was before the drop. The algorithms do this based purely in statistics. So they compare all of a stock's history to determine what's the bottom most likely to reverse back to a higher price. And it's not always a partial loss the first few days, as we can see here with this discovery, at a 13.89% partial profit. So we've explored this algo's history in the stock market. Maybe we prefer trading a more popular stock or trading a stock that is perhaps already in our portfolio or a list of favorites. So we'll take MasterCard, for example. We want to get into a position. We want to trade this stock and this signal. So let's click on it. Now, we're going to see only the Backtest Lab for the Shelby algorithm for MasterCard. So let's trace back to see how we got here. We went from the start screen of our Backtest Lab. We selected an algorithm we wanted to explore, and in this case it was Shelby. Then we selected a stock that received a buy signal from Shelby, in this case MasterCard. And now here we are, inside the history between the Shelby algorithm with MasterCard stock. And since 2010, Shelby put us at an 88.6% profit, trading this stock 7 times at a 100% accuracy. Underneath is the history of all signals. The latest was 4 days ago. We see the buy dates. We have the buy price, sell date, sell price, and the result. And underneath, we have the trades over the price chart and a performance diagram. But let's say we might want to find an algorithm that gave us more buy signals for MasterCard specifically. So we're going to click on MasterCard here. This will take us to its stock analyses, which is a great tool to combine for your buying decision. And we're going to come down here and expand this tab to see the latest signals from the Backtest lab for MasterCard. And we see that we have 15 signals for the 22nd of April, and I can click here to see all of them. So this is a list of all the algorithms that gave us a buy signal for MasterCard and their 2-year history trading this specific stock. And look how great. The first one on our list is Joshua. So during this 2-year time frame, Joshua gave us 19 buy signals for MasterCard, and here's our results. A 65.4% gain at an average of 3.4% profit per trade, each trade lasting an average of 18 days. And here we see the accuracy of this algo. Now, since 2020, Joshua gave us 19 buy signals for MasterCard, and nearly 95% of these signals put us at a profit, which means we had 18 profits and only 1 loss within this period. So yes, we do want to check out this specific algo and its latest buy signals for MasterCard. So I'm going to click right here. So here's Joshua's summary that we saw in the last screen. And underneath we have the trades table between the Joshua algorithm and MasterCard. We see the latest signal, and it's still active, and all the results. Here are the trades over the price chart during the given time frame and the accumulated percentage. So we really like the Joshua algorithm for MasterCard, and we want to follow up with this latest signal and future ones. So we can come up here on the top of the page from left to right. You can click here to save this stock to your list of favorites, and here you can save MasterCard to your portfolio. And we can click this button to save the Joshua algorithm for MasterCard to our list of signals, which we can access from the left panel. Let's click on it. Here is our list of signals. We see MasterCard that we just added for Algo Joshua. And these 2 signals are still opened. They gave us an entry at this price. And here are the partial profits. The Shelby algorithm for SBA are currently at a 15.7% partial profit. And we have 2 other signals here with Aaron and Amber that already do not have an open position for these stocks. And here is the result of their last trade for those specific stocks. So in a nutshell, the Backtest lab is a system that constantly calculates buy the dip signals. The lab allows us to explore and find trade signals that are most likely to give us a return. We can combine different tools to make the best decision. Then, once our decision is made, we head over to our broker to buy into the position. And we make sure to save the signal to our list of signals list, so that once there's a signal to sell, we close our position and pocket the profits. Well, thanks for watching, guys.